right, guys, so Twan here. You see the title. So basically I want to just get like the first impressions of the springs, the H&R springs, for my 2019 Scat Pack. I'll put the part number in the description if you guys need that. Right now, first impression, I'm kind of impressed so far. Obviously I wanted the springs, like I wanted this done, so you know I knew I was gonna like it, but I didn't know how it would drive. I've never lowered a car, so I didn't know how it would drive and how it would operate. Right now I'm on the street. I am on the street, and I'm just cruising. I'm going about 40, and it's riding pretty smooth, man. You can tell the car's a little lower. You can tell it's a little stiffer. But the car's moving pretty nice. It doesn't seem like it's too much roll or anything like that. Definitely, so far I feel like it's a great investment so far. And like I said, shout out to Savant Auto Works and Bellflower, man. Those guys, hands down, man, those guys are good people with great prices. I can't fucking stress that enough. So yeah, I wanted to do a little impression on the street. We're about to be hopping on the highway now, so we're gonna get some moderate driving, and maybe a couple pulls just to see the difference, to see if I can feel anything. All right, so I'm actually putting on the highway now, and I'll turn it around so you guys can see. So right now I am in sport mode. I am in sport mode at the moment. So you can see I am in sport mode. I'm not gonna put it in track. I feel like sport is just enough. So let's give it a little pull. Oh wait, no, that's the boys right there. Let's not give it a little pull. Unmarked Charger. Let's not give it too much of a pull. Okay, let's let them get up there a little bit. Let them get up there a little bit. But at normal driving right now, it feels good. Feels like they did a good job. I don't feel anything rattling. I don't hear anything rattling or anything like that. Some people recommend an alignment. My car doesn't seem to be pulling. Maybe in the future I'll get one anyway. If you guys have any experience with that, let me know. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need an alignment, but like I said, I might get one. I don't think it's a dire thing right now. So let me see. All right, I think we can give it a little pull. Let's see how it feels. Okay, so one thing I noticed off the back from a pull. One thing I noticed off the back, there's no more of that, how can I say, the car doesn't just shift to the back. I'm trying to think of a better way to say that. I know there's a technical car way to say that, but it's like you don't feel the torque as much. It doesn't kick you back in the seat because the car is a little lower to the ground and the back is a little lower, so that torque doesn't shift to the back like it used to, which is cool because, you know, it's not like you're losing any power or anything like that. But you know, you just go. It just goes, it seems like. And you know, I wish the unmarks wasn't up there because I would try to hit this turn and see how it feels on the turn. So I'll kick it up on speed a little bit. Yeah, you definitely feel the road more. Like I can feel the ground more, if that makes any sense. I know car guys might understand what I'm saying, but I can feel it. Even bumps, okay, the bumps are cool. It's not bouncy or anything like that. I'm impressed, man. I like it so far. I know the springs still have to settle out. I wish I had a ruler or something like that so I could get an accurate measurement, but I'm thinking off the jump, like off the rip, I dropped at least about an inch and a half off the rip, especially in the back. In the front, I would probably say a good inch maybe about 1.25 inches maybe, or something like that, which is cool because the front is already low in these cars. So I'm impressed so far, man. And after about a week or two, I'll do another video, of having them for another week or so, just, putting a little bit more miles on them and stuff like that. Excuse me, putting more miles on them and stuff like that, and seeing how they hold up. But right now, I like it. I'm impressed. And yeah, I think I definitely made the right decision, man. I think I definitely made the right decision. Again, I wanted to just show the car for the people that might not have seen the last video of when I got the car installed. When I got the screens installed. I like it, man. I like it. Once I get some wider tires together, it's gonna pull it together for sure. But yeah, here's how the car looks now with the screens. Kind of give you a little better perspective of what's going on. I like it, man. It looks good. It looks a lot more aggressive. This is how a muscle car is supposed to look. And you guys heard everything I said as far as the driving review. That was only the first drive with them. I like them though, man. Like I said, once I get some wider tires, especially in the back. I don't have a problem with the front. I feel like the front is okay, but especially in the back. Once I get some wider tires in the back, because you can see the front is okay. I don't have a problem with the front, but the back, I need that to stick out a little more. I know people do spacers and all that type of shit, but I'm gonna get some tires. And wheels will be later on in life. I got other shit going on, but yeah, man, I like the car. I like them. I recommend the springs. If anybody's thinking about getting H&R springs for a Scat Pack or a Challenger or a Charger or a Hellcat or whatever, I recommend them for sure. For sure. I just wanted to add that in there. Like I said, man, if you guys like the content, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment, follow me on Instagram at Sub-Zero392 on Instagram. You'll see that here. And yeah, stay tuned, man. We definitely got more stuff coming, man. Stay tuned. Everybody stay safe, stay blessed. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.